Hello guys, today we are going to see Height Rich Chocolate Factory. Amazing factory tour guys, stay tuned. We have come to chocolate factory. High Rich Chocolate Factory. This is cream, huh?
Cream no sir, yeah, cocoa bar sir.
How it is made?
That one you have white chocolate sir. That one you have mansu type flavor. That one you have pure vegetarian chocolate sir.
Vegetarian?
Pure vegetarian chocolate. 6-month guarantee sir.
Oh. It won't
Total 120 varieties chocolates.
Oh, year on?
Yeah sir. All over India courier service. Kodaikanal pura हमारा wholesale supply है.
Yes, how is the chocolate?
That one you have mansu type. Mansu flavor. You taste.
This
That
one?
one brown chocolate sir.
Brown.
Cocoa based diluted brown chocolate. One more you have dark chocolate sir.
Without sugar? That's without sugar.
Yes.
Wow.
Here chocolate base, here totally 3 flavors.
Milk, white and black and dark.
Yes, sir.
Here itself you have variety. This is a packing, your packing.
Packing, sir. Sir, here come inside.
Okay, okay.
So these are.
So yo-yo wafer sticks also you have.
One more. Yeah, multi.
Cutting,
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, still not available. Dust आ जाएगा ना? And those are cutting. And they'll dry it out. Nice. So guys, we have visited the chocolate factory. They have 3 varieties actually: dark chocolate, brown chocolate, and white chocolate. मजा आ गया. Wow, wonderful. This is which flavor?
Pista flavor.
Pista. Okay. Yes. Now it is hot. So they'll freeze it, eh?
Yeah, please.
Okay, nice.
AC type.
Wow. Oh, this is freezing. That's why it is cold here. How many degrees?
Sir?
12 degrees, I think. Wow.
That one?
Oh.
Dairy milk flavor.
Nice.
Mansu flavor. You want taste? Welcome, sir. My taste. Yeah, this same flavor.
Amazing.
That one flavor.
Oh, this is the milk one. Very,
That one
very
mansu
nice.
flavor. That one almond chocolates.
Morde is a brand, eh?
Yeah.
Trademark.
Yeah, yes. Okay. Brand name.
Hyderabad, everywhere you ship it. Okay, nice. So temperature is well maintained to make the hot chocolate frozen, and then they'll pack it out and they'll cut it and they'll put it in the boxes. Amazing, guys.
Melting, sir.
Wow. Minus 4 degrees. Wow.
White chocolate.
Okay. Wow.
You want taste?
No. It's pure, without egg, huh? This is
Without it.
pure veg. This is white chocolate. Some places, some color is strawberry. Stuffing. Okay. Morde dark compound. Why are you breaking like that? Yes. Oh. To make it harder. No, why you break it? Why you break it like that? And that's very, you break it. Thank you. Per kg.
Per kg 600 rupees.
Crunchy.
That one flavors only.
Actually, we are going to all chocolates.
He said, yeah.
This
Almost 150 varieties.
Starting range 600 rupees. This is normal range. We have
1200 caramel.
Yeah, 1200, 1500,
Oh.
and 1000 rupees are all best chocolate. That 1000 rupees kg.
Uh-huh.
We have authoritative pack.
Cashew coated is also there.
Yeah,
1200.
chocolate.
That expiry date, eh?
Yeah,
Roughly
this
6 months.
We can do 6 months guarantee of chocolate.
Okay.
All chocolates we have 6 months guarantee.
Nice.
The fridge milks from 6 months.
6
Without
months.
fridge, 30 days. And the central oil is everything.
Yeah. Guys, great guys. Very nice place. Mordi is their trademark. Mordi brand. Lot of variety of choice from range of 600 all the way to 2500 and more. 6 months shelf life, guys. Amazing.
is okay, sir.
A lot of fruit wine are also available. Edinburgh, one of the fruit wine worth 1200 rupees, guys. Full of red wine, pure red wine. Edinburgh small is also there. 2 pans are there. Nice. So we have taken some. Beautiful. Sprains. Body pain and sprain,
Yes,
guys.
sir. A headache, cold, cough, fever.
Extreme smell is coming.
Steam
Eucalyptus
purpose
oil.
is very good one I like.
Oh.
Just a purity card second, sir.
Oh. It won't damage the cloth, huh?
Yes, sir. No burn.
Cloth will not burn.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Oh. मतलब
Soda smells.
the flame is not hot, huh?
Pure requisite. Yeah, that one, Kodaikanal climate, yeah, just a purity card second.
Oh God. It will not burn, huh?
No burn. Yeah, original I know, no burn.
Original oil.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Lot of saffron soaps, rose soap, papaya soap. Many soaps are available. Aloe vera. Yeah. Beautiful. Walnut, saffron soap is also available, guys. Amazing. Yo-yo sticks, wafer sticks. Factory is also there. See the full video to see the factory outlet also. Amazing.